Hi guys, welcome to Cook Avec Dan, and this week we're doing something fancy again, Genevese pesto with basil. First thing, we need the pine nuts, and we'll put those in the oven at 350 so they get a nice golden color on it. And while roasted, all the flavor will pop. Okay, so the pine nuts are ready now, and as you can see, it took a very nice brown color, and I can smell the flavor of it, and it really makes a big difference. So let's put this in the blender. Also, we need 2 cloves of garlic, and just cut it rough. The blender will do the rest of the job. And add 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and 3/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. And about 6 cups of fresh basil. And 3/4 cup of good quality olive oil. So you can keep the pesto in the fridge for about a week. Beyond that, it will oxidize and change color. Anyway, this is better to eat fresh. So we have here our nice al dente pasta with a nice texture on it. This is perfect because the sauce will have a nice grab on it. Mix the pesto a little bit so the oil is not all on top. So we save some pasta water here. We'll add a little bit of it in the pasta. This will help make a nice creamy texture. A basic rule for pairing wine with food will be to ask yourself where this dish is made from. Obviously it's from Italy, so I chose this Italian Ripasso from Italy to pair with it. So this wine is a medium body wine, so it will go well with a delicate dish like this because the flavor are so complex and it's so delicate that you need a dish that won't go over the wine, and vice versa, you don't want the wine to go over your dish. So let's find out how is this wine. So as you can see, the color is a really nice ruby red, and yes, the complexity of this wine is pretty impressive. I can smell oak, chocolate, leather. Oh yeah, a lot leather. A little bit earthy. And you see some red fruits, like cherry. There's a nice balance with the tannin. It's not too strong, and the acidity in this wine is fresh, which will go very well with the fat in this dish. There's a lot of oil, a lot of Parmigiano Reggiano, and all the herb, the basil in it will pair very well with this wine. Let's taste this now. This is really good. It is so simple. You saw how simple and easy it was to make. It took like 10 minutes to do the pesto, 10 minutes to cook your pasta, and you have a very nice dish. You can add some protein like chicken or whatever you like in it, but just like this, it's perfect. The pairing with this Italian Ripasso was just perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you will try it at home. And next week, I will do a red pesto with sun-dried tomato. See you soon, and cheers!